This is the nice bit in here. There, the bridge, another bridge in there. A bit bright. How can I get in there? Sardines. Why are you struggling in there? There is a bridge.
I think from this side, this side to go back. Can't remember.
You can go there.
Yeah, but I can't remember
when. This is the mill. 'City of Newcastle upon
1739. Take a picture back.
City of Newcastle upon Tyne, 1883.
It's just 1739.
Yeah, the mill. A water corn mill of the Ridleys existed here by 1739. From circa 1848 called, what's that? I can't read. Heaton Mill, a flint mill from mid to late 19th century, acquired by Lord Armstrong in 1862. Tyne in Ware, County Calville.
The first house powered by electric.
The old Jasmondine. Oh wow. Is that the house that this one? Oh, this one.
Model of what it did look like.
Model.
But there's a picture of it. What did look like. The wheel was just like this. I know, come on with it. The animals are very important.
Armstrong's creation.
He helped build
The waterfall. So this is man-made?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not real. Man-made lang pala. Ayan oh. Very old.
He made it up so he had so much water behind for the milk and that. This is where we play down there, Maximal Park.
Why can't you blog like that? Blah 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 blah. You can talk, explain everything. I can't explain everything because I don't know. I'm sweating now, so it's a good sign.
You nearly fell into the waterfall.
Busy on the phone. Yan, text pa more. And the baby as usual is sleeping. Ano? Ano? We're in the end now.
God, you're only halfway.
Only halfway?
We started 3/4
Ah.
of the wheel. There's still more.
Kala ko the end na. Another bridge. And another small bridge in there. Gusto sarap sana mag-fishing kaso walang fish.
And the sushi is here. 2 cans of beer. And then
But
all night.
you need to have license to go fishing?
No.
Why?
No. You only go fishing in the river. If the river is not tight like it's different times, you need a license.
But then again,
Go to the river where there's a tide, like the main tide river tide.
Yeah, but-
you don't need a license.
but then again you go fishing but you have to put it back.
You don't have to.
You can eat?
That, yeah, what you catch on the thing.
Oh, that's
If it's
good.
tidal.
That's how supposed to be.
The other bit, where you need the license is there, yeah, you're supposed to put it back.
What you can get hit? That trout.
Salmon?
The carp, you can't eat the carp, no?
I don't know. Yeah, you can, but when you get caught, you keep it in the back for a week. But cleans it all out. What a fly or something.
With your big nose.
Don't swallow the nose.
I'd like the forest in here. I don't like in the Philippines because you have to encounter. Oh no, I don't like snakes. Snakes, tarantula. Oh, I don't like. I'm scared in the Philippines.
One poisonous snake in the front.
Of course, we have cobra. Bahay oh. Ayun na, may bahay din pala. Ang laki ng bahay.
Church.
Oh. Church yata. Ewan ko. Oh, tara.
Really slapping it. Again, you're walking home.
I love the sound of the bird. The bird. Bisaya na, beard. I saw a little bird. Ah. Go out.
Yeah. You're trying to get out the house. Where you going? Why? Where you going? What for?
Well, you're in na ba? Oh, Diyos ko po. Ano ba naman yan? There's a fish but it's tiny. Ang liliit pa ng isda. Madaming isda pero maliit. Kanina wala akong nakita eh. Ayan. Maliit. Walang ano, shrimp. Ayan o, nakita nyo guys. Ayan, maliliit. Small. Stairs. Ah, there is birds in here. Like a small zoo. Ang ganda. Bye bye, hello. Hello, birdie. Hello. Good morning.
This one went hello and this one went hello as well.
Hello. You're shy? Meron palang small sanctuary here. I didn't know that. Enjoy your park safely. Animal classification. Mammals. I don't like mammals. I don't like mammals. I hate snakes. Pheasant? No, it's a big for pheasant. Oh, this is ostrich.
Ostrich.
Or peacock. Peacock? I think that's peacock. Guys, alam niyo ba itong ano na to? Bird na to? Anong tawag dito? Hindi ko alam. Parang ano siya? Turkey? Oh, peacock? I don't know. Chicken? It's different kind of chicken. I think it's foreigner chicken.
The foreigner chicken is up to
English chicken? I don't know. Yun. Ayan pala ang tawag. Location from Africa. From Africa pala siya. Galing. Ayan o. Parang ano siya? Parang peacock. Ayan o. Oo nga, peacock. This is peacock. Hello. Can you
It's like back here, though, but it's
can you spread your wings?
trying. It's just young.
Oh, not that
Yeah,
one. The
just-
other one. Can you spread your wings? Ah, the young one to spread the wings. I want the other one to spread the wings. Look, kitty. And that's the little cutie. Hello, little cutie. Hello, little cutie. Hello, 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 hello. Hello.
It's a nice word.
Look at them, they're so tiny. Dami, ang gaganda ng birds. Look at that rabbit, look. Cute, cute. Nag-hiding ka naman. Nagtatago. Nasaan ka na? Where are you? Ang rabbit. Ano yung rabbit mo? Ang cute. Ang cute-cute, oh. Cute-cute. Ang cute-cute niya. Oh, look at the bum. There's a rabbit there. Nasaan? There's a baby rabbit there.
Mom, can I use the foot thing?
Look at the peacock.
Mom, there's babies! Mom, look, there's babies! There's baby peacocks. Babies. I love a peacock. Hello.
Daddy.
Hello,
Daddy,
Daddy.
I'm sure the daddy's the colourful one, darling.
Hi, Daddy. Oh, Dad, what if it's feathers? Dad, look.
Hi, Daddy. Can you spread your wings? Please?
We got one to do it and we went onto YouTube and we put a mating call on YouTube and
Yeah.
played it, and the next thing we know, it opened
Aw.
out. So it might be a good trick to try.
Come on.
We found one on YouTube making the noises.
Heck, my feet.
Come on, have a go in and you let up.
That's one.
There you go. Lang-langoy. Ayan ang turkey. Pygmy goat. Ano guys, tingnan nyo. Oh my goat. First time ko makakita ng ganitong goat ah. Ang baho. Use, stinky. Ayan o, look. First time ko makakita ng ganitong goat.
What's it?
First time.
First time what? You've seen a goat?
Goat like this.
Yeah, look, take it.
In Philippines, it's different goat. Ay, mali.